It's a winter wonderland. Deja loves it when I sing songs.
Yep.
Do you want to let us into the garden?
Gloves. The drippy one.
Yeah, it's a little drippy.
When was our last video, like garden tour?
Last garden tour was maybe November?
Oh, has it been that long?
Yeah, it's been quite some time.
Okay.
Hi!
Yeah. We can't really see much
Yeah.
because everything's under snow. Hopefully everything survives.
What do you want to do in this video? I think it's just fun to show.
Yeah, I mean it snowed, like a lot.
Yeah, we have a lot of snow. This all happened like this morning too. What did we do this week? This week we pruned
We pruned all the fruit trees.
all the fruit trees.
Also, you can't see it anymore, but the Fig Island got weeded thoroughly.
Let's go show you what Big Island is.
Fig Island got weeded thoroughly, and a fresh coat, a fresh layer of chips. What's up?
Fresh layer of chips.
And then it got name tags.
And we gave name tags. Just in case you guys were wondering, we are, each of the plants is getting, over time, it'll be better, but each of the plants is getting a scientific name and
Appropriately labeled, like a learning.
appropriately labeled.
Yeah.
Yeah!
I come from a science background, so that's what you do.
Yeah. So it's got the scientific name, the Latin name, and then it's got the common name.
Common name, yeah.
Yeah.
That way, whenever you come unguided, self-guided, what do we want to call it?
Yeah, you could give
Self-guided?
yourself like
Yeah.
a self-guided tour
Yeah.
where you get to know what each of the plants are.
Yeah.
And so far we've done this with all of the
peonies.
blueberries, all of the peonies, all of the iris. Ooh, we started to do the I don't think that so I started taking hazel
Yeah.
and doing the wattle fence, so you can kind of see the beginning of it. You guys, I've been going on walks, and then I go on my walk and I scout out all the best hazel branches to be able to bring in. Was that?
Oh, I was like, look at the little flamingo. He's in his winter coat. He's a little albino. Thanks, Jenna.
Thanks, Jenna.
If you have another one, we'll take it.
Yeah. So these are all irises and peonies. We've shown you guys this before, but they're starting to come up, which is pretty neat.
Oh, that chair fell over.
That chair had a bunch of burlap
Oh,
on it.
burlap. Okay.
Oh, this is so much. We've also started designs for the studio, which is going to go just in this general space right here.
This is where the dahlia rose were last year.
Yeah, this is, yeah. And so the studio, I think there's going to be one really long dahlia row that runs the length right here in front of us. It'll be not quite, what is it going to be like? Not quite 100 feet?
Oh, I don't think it was that long. I think
It was like 70 feet?
I think it might be 70.
Yeah.
I feel like we wrote it down, but I'm not sure.
Yeah. And the studio should finish right about here where I stand. So this will be the front corner of the studio. But it'll look out into dahlias and the rest of the garden. I started working on drawing up plans for that. We have a really neat neighbor friend that I've been going on walks with and such. And he's going to help out with some of that and check in my work. Do you want to show them inside the tunnel?
Sure. Oh, we should probably brush off that snow. If it-
Look at all the
well,
snow.
assuming that it doesn't
We could just probably inside. We can
no.
push it up.
except it also makes it rain on the inside.
That's
if,
fine.
If there's condensation. Oh.
What happened?
Well, it's tucked under the snow.
Oh. We also went through and weeded a lot of this area too. We're gonna plant the inside of this circle with sunflowers, a bunching sunflower. Pretty cool. Wait for me though.
Oh.
Actually, go and do it.
Oh, okay.
That's fun. It looks like little icebergs.
What?
It looks like little icebergs falling off.
That's fine. I'm just worried
Smells
that
good
the
in here.
Plastic can't take that much weight. So, you see how it's like bowed in a little bit?
Oh yeah, for sure.
I'm like, that's probably not the best.
What do we have underneath the blankets?
Two different varieties of ranunculus, and then there's a bunch of anemones. There's 3 different varieties of anemones. Those got planted out in November, and so they look really happy. I feel like that was what we had just planted. The last tour that we did was right after the
Yeah, I think so.
yeah. So look at that.
Yeah, they're so happy.
They're definitely they're ready to have the frost cloth off of them. I wish I had something that I could like lay this on. But
It's not long enough that you could like make a hoop over the top
no,
of the.
it's not wide. We cut it.
Okay, yeah.
So yeah.
We could grab another
We
one.
could
We
grab
have other
another
ones.
one. That's what I was saying. I think it'd be good to do a double.
I want to show
And
you
then-
this little tiny.
The tulips
Look
are
at all
starting,
these little tulips.
they're starting to push up.
Yeah, where's another one? Oh yeah, right here.
And then all the way in the back we have 2 eucalyptus from last year that are looking a little sad because of the cold. They're not frost
Look at
tolerant
these
at all.
pig's ear mushrooms too.
Is that what those are called?
I don't know. I just called them that.
Okay.
It's pretty neat. Yeah, the eucalyptus. It's gonna come back.
Hopefully. We'll see. And
Yeah.
if not, then I've started a whole bunch more from seed.
Yeah. Oh, right here.
In some regards, that might be like insulating, but
Oh, it would be insulating for
yeah,
sure.
but we don't want that much weight on here.
No.
These are some funky dianthus.
Dianthus.
Yeah, which is like a specialty carnation,
Oh, cool.
but they don't look like carnations.
What do they look like?
They're like fuzzy green balls.
Fuzzy green balls.
It's called kiwi melon.
Oh, that's
So,
fun.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we're gonna make. So this year, we're gonna be doing. Gonna make a couple of like tunnels. So there'll be like cattle panel that comes up and around over this section, and then the same over here. And we're gonna do. I think I'm gonna do like sugar snap peas, and then the beauty of the cattle panel is that you have the sun, which is gonna be coming over from this side. It kind of goes, so that's south, and this is north, and so all of the like kales, greens, they can all grow on the north side, which will be shaded and a little bit cooler. And the tomatoes and the peppers and the basil can grow on this side. And we'll see what happens. Yeah, it's one big grand experiment. Look at how happy this kale is.
It's gonna taste super sweet now that it's had
Happy
some frost.
kale. Yeah,
All right.
yeah. Should we tell them about Goose? Yeah, okay. Goose is a new friend.
Okay. You ready? I'm ready for lunch.
Yeah, let's go have
Go
lunch.
have lunch.
Yay,
All
lunch.
right, bye everybody.
Bye. Bye.